Hey guys, Coach here. Hey, here's a little interesting thing. If you remember the intro that we did, the introduction episode number 1 of 1, and I was telling you a little bit about myself, and I started looking around the venue that I'm at, and I know this is gonna be a little wobbly because I'm walking on a lawn, but from a contractor, designer, repairman, and experienced horticulturist, I see a huge problem here. Do you guys see it? Take a look. What do you see? Does everything look normal to you? Okay, here's what I see. If you look on the berm in the backdrop there, and you look in front where the bush with the yellow flowers are, and you look all the way along the berm here, and then down the berm by the rock wall and walkway, the thing that I see more than anything is very poor sprinkler coverage. Whoever installed it, and I'm assuming that everything is working okay. God, I love Quake and Aspen. Look at these trees. Oh, I love them. Whoever installed it, or if there's something broken, something ain't working. And here we are in the middle of July 2020. COVID central, shall we say. And here's a classic example. Look at this coverage right here, and then over into here. And then if I pan back, watch, you can see exactly where the coverage starts and stops. So stay tuned in episodes to come, and I will show you how you can avoid this. No matter how small or how big your turf area is, we'll show you a real easy way to do it so that this does not happen. It's called precipitation matching, and don't get me started on Quake and Aspen. My favorite trees, especially in the fall. Precipitation matching and measuring out the environment, and matching your plumbing to the number of heads you have, and maintenance. Okay, that's it for today. Stay tuned. I'll show you how not to have this happen.